COVID-19 is still a threat to millions of people around the world, but social distancing is one of the best ways to help flatten the curve. And we're doing our part to help stop the spread. So welcome to my house. And thank you for joining us for WHNT News 19 at 4. I'm Christine Killemeyer.
And I'm Jerry Hayes. We'll have more on COVID-19 and the response to the pandemic in just a few moments. But first, in March and April, it is estimated that nearly 4 million gallons of wastewater overflowed from manholes in Decatur. And this has been an ongoing problem in Decatur. But is this old problem worsened by the threat of COVID-19?
WHNT News 19 investigative reporter Kelly Smith takes a look at the latest CDC guidance when it comes to wastewater and the spread of COVID-19.
Blockages due to disposable wipes and heavy rainfall are what caused the latest rounds of wastewater overflows in the city of Decatur, according to the Alabama Department of Environmental Management. Posts on ADEM's e-file indicate most of the 3.9 million gallons discharged into Dry Branch Creek. Many manholes overflowed in residential neighborhoods. This one on 8th Street Southwest leaked more than 500,000 gallons in March and April alone. Decatur has invested $60 million over the past decade to rehabilitate the city's old pipe infrastructure. In February, WHNT News 19 reported that Decatur Utilities was conducting an engineering study, the results of which would help DU identify areas that should be addressed in order to have the most impact as they work to stop sanitary sewer overflows. DU officials said they expected the study to be completed in 2 to 3 months, but Wednesday, a spokesperson for DU said that due to COVID-19, they didn't expect the study to be complete until midsummer. But that's not the only possible issue caused by COVID-19. Representatives from Tennessee Riverkeeper say manhole overflows have become more concerning.
It's not anything we want to discharge onto our streets and into our waterways, especially now in the time of COVID-19.
Officials from DU said last month there is no elevated risk. The Environmental Protection Agency addressed the question, can I get COVID-19 from wastewater or sewage? The answer? The World Health Organization has indicated that there is no evidence to date that COVID-19 virus has been transmitted via sewage systems with or without wastewater treatment. But the CDC pointed out transmission of the virus that causes COVID-19 through sewage may be possible. The CDC website says in 2003, during the SARS outbreak, there was documented transmission with sewage aerosols. It goes on to say that standard chlorination practices used by municipal wastewater systems should be enough to inactivate coronavirus. In Decatur, Kelly Smith, WHNT News 19.
Now, WHNT News 19 has been following this issue incredibly closely. So far this year, more than 23 million gallons of wastewater have overflowed from manholes in the city of Decatur.